What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and if you're pushed play on this video, you are on day 28 of this beginning 5K program. So that's just fantastic. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. Let's get going. All right, today's actually a rest day, so you get to take it a little easy, or you can do some upper body resistance training, which is, I recommend doing that, or some yoga or stretching. That's all good. Just make sure you rest those legs for tomorrow. And I am going to hand you over to Coach Robin, because she has something very important to tell you guys to make sure you make it through this 5K program as easy as possible and safely as possible. So here she is.
Hey guys, it is Sunday. That is our rest day, and I know that you're looking forward to today. We had a big week last week where we were running for 3 minutes straight. So guess what happens next week? I'll tell you that in a minute. Anyway, so today is a rest day, and I am just hanging out with my little buddy here, Snickers, and we're gonna rest today. You could do something too. You could do your upper body workout or some yoga or stretches or something like that. Go for a little walk or something, but try to give your legs a break today, all right? Because we got a big week coming up. So let me tell you a little bit about the week coming up. We are going to walk for 1 minute and run for 4 minutes, okay? And we're gonna do that 5 times. So we're upping our running, but we still get our walk breaks, so take them, okay? And I am going to take a minute to talk about something that I haven't talked about yet. And that's, what I want you to do when you're done with a workout is I want you to feel like, hey, I could do more. I felt great. I want you to feel like that, but I don't want you to do any more, all right? I want you to just do what's on the calendar, because it's there for a reason. But if you feel good and you say, hey, I could do more, then that's exactly how I want it to be, because then you're going to come back tomorrow and you're going to want to do it. If you get done with your workout, it's like, wow, I can't do any more than this. I don't know if I can do this tomorrow. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for you to have a lot of energy to say, hey, I could do more, but be smart and stop, okay? And save that energy for tomorrow, because trust me, as we walk less and run more, you're going to need that energy, and you need to save your legs for that, all right? So, have a great day off today. I will post this week's workout in the link below in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.
I'm proud of you all, and we are ready to see you tomorrow, which would be day 29. And I know you're going to do fantastic. You already have done fantastic. You're doing a great job. I know you're going to continue that, and before you know it, you'll have your 5K in the bag, and you'll probably do a lot more after that, because you're just going to really love running. I really believe that's going to happen. So we'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Have a good one. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.